Hello there everyone and welcome back. Today I'm excited to show you a complete production ready school management system I built using Python's Django framework. This is for a client, Rafa Bethel Bilingual Nursery and Primary School in Cameroon. This isn't just a tutorial project. This is a solution for a real-world problem. We have digitalized everything from admissions to complex fee collection. I'll show you exactly how I solved major pain points like preventing duplicate payments and handling bilingual records for both English and French. Let's dive in. We start at the login. Security is paramount here. Depending on who logs in, the system adapts. The bossa needs to see financial trends and outstanding debts immediately. The teacher, they need their class list and attendance sheets. For an admin, you get the God view, a bird's eye view of the entire school's health. This is also useful for proprietors and owners. By using role-based access control in the Django backend, we ensure everybody has exactly the tools they need and nothing they don't. Now, moving into the student management. Each student has a unique ID and a comprehensive profile. Everything from parent contacts to medical info, class history, all included. Because this is for a school that is bilingual in Cameroon, the system supports records in both English and French. Whether it's tracking attendance or assigning students to sections or classes, the user interface is designed to be snappy and intuitive. We're pulling this data directly from a MySQL production database to ensure that even with thousands or hundreds of thousands of students, the search remains instant. Because we set up distinct user roles and permissions in our backend, the administrators, the teachers, the secretaries, parents, bosses, owners, and proprietors, they have different dynamic front-end needs that are adapted. If we jump over to my dashboard under the staff menu, the user interface shifts entirely. This is a teacher's personalized workspace. Instead of high-level school revenue, the focus here is strictly on action. They see my classes today and quick actions to instantly mark attendance, for instance, or view their specific student rosters. By isolating the workspace for each user, we drastically reduce cognitive overload and make the software frictionless to use on a daily basis. This entire front end is seamlessly hooked up to our Django system. When a parent is added in the back end or a quick SMS announcement is blasted out from the communication module, the results populate instantly across these user-friendly dashboards. The goal here is to bridge the gap between complex database operations and an effortless user experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this user interface. Drop a comment below and let me know what features you would like to add. Should we integrate mobile money payment gateways or expand the parent portal? Let me know in your comments. If your organization needs a robust, scalable system like this, reach out to us at B2SDK LLC. We specialize in digital architecture and custom software development that solves real operational bottlenecks. Finally, if you want to master how to build these kinds of projects and solve real-world problems from scratch, hit the subscribe button and be sure to check out learnitfree.com for access to thousands of project-based resources. ebooks to help you level up, as well as certifications to showcase your expertise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Vitus DK, and you already know.